In this video, we are going to see how we can create an awesome logo with the use of Copilot. So I am using the Brave browser right now, but if you're using the Edge browser as well, the option will be same. You will just go to copilot.microsoft.com, and in the search area, you can just directly give the command. Before it was used to be Copilot GPTs here, but now they have integrated all in the command prompt area. So let's write the command here. So here I have written a command that I want to create a 3D logo for tech channel name, how to visit. Don't use person's face, only use tech gadgets in the logo. So let's hit enter and let's see. Now it is using DALL-E 3 to create the logos. As you can see here, the designer powered by Dell E3. So it will create some logos for you, some recommendations, and you also have some other suggestions as well. Add some futuristic elements to the logo, make it colorful, include a wizard's hat or band in the design. So as we can see here, these are some logos, and let's add futuristic elements to the logo. Let's use this recommendation. So this looks nice. You can use this logo, and you can also specify in points if you want to have a specific design. Now I've made some adjustments. Let's say this logo, I don't like this logo. I want to make it simpler. I have given the command, make a simple logo for YouTube channel. Just make sure the spellings are correct. Write name of the channel, how to visit in the logo. So hit enter, and let's now see what it creates. So it has created some simple logo. If you want to only use the gadgets and not the person's face, you can just rewrite here. I've given the command here, and let's see how it adjusts it. So it has generated the logos again. You can obviously make adjustments by mentioning some different commands, and you can try it in bullet points as well to specify your logo design. So if you want any particular logo, what you can do is just simply click on that logo and it will open the designer. And from here you can share, download or customize this as well. So let's say if I open customize option here, it will open the Microsoft Designer here. So here you have the options to apply the filter. You can remove the background, replace some images and crop that. So you can explore all of this. You can add the text, remove the text or change the text style. So this is all the image creator. So this is all the designer tools that you can use. You can also use some design templates here. So just explore that in detail. But if you want to just go with the suggestions that Copilot has made, I'll just click on download here. And here is my logo ready. I'll just save it to the desktop and let's see how it looks now. So let's open this and I can use this on my YouTube channel. So this is how you can create some awesome logos with Copilot free of cost using DALL-E 3 model. Just try it by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.